And so we are going to insert.
We want to emphasize the importance of empathy. We want to emphasize the importance of listening and being able to connect with patients. So the more that physicians are able to connect, the better that we know that patients are going to be able to do overall. Hi, I'm Dr. Kelli Burroughs. I am Assistant Professor and Vice Chair of Clinical Affairs and Patient Experience for the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology here at UT Physicians. I was drawn to a unique blend of medicine, of surgery, long-term patient care that this particular specialty actually provides. Over time, my interest has actually focused into providing care for perimenopausal and menopausal women. This is an area that is typically underserved or underaddressed, and so I am happy that I'm able to have the opportunity to lead innovations in care as we are making the transition to what I like to call our wisdom years. Multidisciplinary care is essential in women's health, and the reason is because it actually evolves over time. So from adolescence all the way through menopause, the issues are changing, and so it is so important for a woman to have a team of providers, of specialists who can actually provide comprehensive, cohesive care. Education is at the heart of everything we do. We are not only trying to develop the next generation of physicians, but we are also trying to ensure excellent clinicians who will be able to provide compassionate care and also to be thought leaders in medicine. I think our future lies in harnessing new data, fostering multidisciplinary care, and making sure that we are creating an environment where we are leading in research and able to really translate that into real-world clinical implications for our patients.